कूदते फांदते जी बहलाते कब ये भीड़ में चलना सीख जाते हैं। मीठी मीठी किलकारियां छोड़ कब ये बातें बनाना सीख जाते हैं। स्कूल का बस्ता संभालते हुए कब जीवन का भार निभाना सीख जाते हैं। कोमल कोमल हथेलियों से कब ये संसार चलाना सीख जाते हैं। ये नन्ही कलियां नन्हे सपने उड़कर आसमां को चले हैं रंगने। कितना सुंदर घरौंदा इनका जहां बसते हैं ये छोटे बच्चे। सुंदर कितना सुंदर ये एक रिश्ता मात पिता संग तेरा। एक हिचक पर जमा हो जाए सभी परिवार वालों का मेला। यूं तो ये बच्चे सारे अपने घर में सींचे जाते, फिर भी एक छोटा बच्चा अपने भी मन के अंदर भागे। बाल दिवस है आज मनाओ, सारे बच्चों को खूब सराहो। पर वो छोटा बच्चा है जो मन के अंदर रहता है, उसके साथ कुछ वक्त बिताना, भीड़ में उसको भूल न जाना। Childhood, a time filled with love, laughter, innocence and dreams. Loving embrace of mothers, warm hugs from fathers, limitless treats and gifts by all family members, the stories of grandmas and the teachings of grandpas, freedom to dream, play and rest. A kind bond of trust and respect. That's how teachers love their students. Memories of their own school days, living it all over again with these children. We all cherish our own childhood as much as we love being around these children. And a day to celebrate the innocence and rhythm, celebrating Chacha Nehru on his birthday. Om Public School wishes all our lovely children a happy, fun-filled and a notorious Children's Day. Work hard, enjoy, live a joyous life and grow up well, but never let the child in you grow out.
बच्चे बन के सच्चे, ये वो नन्हे फूल हैं जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे। Yes, each child is like a different flower and made to blossom in their own domain. Inculcate their own compassion and empathy to lead socially responsible and peace-loving individuals, which is the replica of philanthropist. On the occasion of Bal Divas, dear children, we can't be together, but we can celebrate and enjoy virtually by having a glimpse of your school campus.
Let's have a look. See, this is the entrance. Let me open the gate.
The door?
The play area, the lustrous leaves and trees. Our school logo. Reception area. And remember children, your sports lecture used to be conducted here. So many games, basketball, badminton and many more other games you all have played here. Now let's have a look of classroom. Junior KG class. Let me open. Yes, see the soft board. The decoration is still fresh, children. Let's move to other classroom. See, here your yoga class was conducted. Remember? Yeah. Okay, now this is grade 1. Oh, what's here? Your classes, your board are missing you all. Dear children, the way you all are missing the school, same way your school is missing you too. Now let's have a closer look. What is this? A smiley? Yes, a smiley with two moods, a happy and a sad face. Now, any guesses why this one is sad? Dear children, your absence to your school campus is making him sad. No noise in the class. Literally, it's a pin drop silence. No, may I come in, ma'am, is audible now. So, he is sad. But at the same time, we are having a smiley, a happy face. He is happy because you all are safe at home and you all are continuing with your online studies and classes. That's why he is happy for you all. Now see, there is an addition to the classrooms and to your school campus. Work is going on, children. You all must be missing those days. Me too. Now, this I have kept for the social distancing. Let's come inside. This is my cabin. Dear children, this is the place where your thoughts, differences kept settled down with the progressive framed mind. This is a place, a temple where you all are blessed with well-educated mind.
Dear children, you all are the delight of my eyes and the soul of home public school. Never allow negative thinking to change your path or to transform your positive aura. शिक्षक की गरिमा को बढ़ाते हो आप, माता पिता के विश्वास को जगाते हो आप, उदास चेहरे पे मुस्कान लाते हो आप, प्रार्थना हो, दुआ हो, सोच की शुद्धता में हो आप, खुशी से जो छलक जाए वो कामयाबी हो आप, उत्सव हो, रौनक हो, स्कूल की पहचान हो आप, गुरूर हो, अभिमान हो, इस देश की शान हो आप. My dear children, unlike every time, I am not asking for a pledge or promise. Rather, I am giving you all a promise from my end that you all will always find me on the crossroads of your life. I'll be always there to nurture your mind with positivity, humanity, and philanthropy. Once again, a very happy Children's Day to you all. बाल दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबको बच्चों. Be progressive. Thank you.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, सच्चे मन के सच्चे। खुद रूठे खुद मन जाए, फिर हम जाने बन जाए। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई वैर नहीं। इनका बोलापन मिलता है सबको बाह पसारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे। इंसान जब तक बच्चा है, तब तक समझो सच्चा है। जो जो उसकी उम्र बढ़े, मन पर झूठ का मैल चढ़े। रोज बड़े नफरत घेरे, लालच की आदत घेरे। बचपन में पापों से हटकर अपनी उम्र गुजारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारी जग की आँख के तारे। ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे।